What is Spanglish and is it code switching for Latino kids? Imagine hearing a conversation where someone says, "Voy a runar al mall," or "Can you pass me la salsa?" That mix of Spanish and English might sound casual or even fun. This is what many people call Spanglish. It is a blend of both languages that happens naturally in communities where Spanish and English are spoken daily. Spanglish is not a formal language. It is an informal way of talking that changes depending on where you are and who you're talking to. For example, Mexican Americans in California might say, "Vamos a la store," while Cuban Americans in Florida might say, "Voy a the supermercado." The words mix and match, creating a new way to communicate that shows cultural connection and comfort. Now, is Spanglish the same as code switching? Not exactly, but they are very related. Code switching is when someone switches between languages during a conversation, sometimes even mid-sentence. It is a skill that bilingual people develop to express themselves better or fit the situation. For Latino children growing up bilingual, switching between English and Spanish is common. They might say, "I need to buy pan for breakfast," switching from English to Spanish for the word bread. Spanglish can be seen as a type of code switching that happens more fluidly and often. Instead of switching only at certain points, people might blend words and phrases in the same sentence. For children, using Spanglish or code switching helps them feel connected to their family and culture. It also makes it easier to communicate with friends and community members who speak both languages. Parents raising Latino children in America should understand that these language habits are normal. They reflected the child's cultural identity and bilingual skills. Encouraging children to speak both languages and respecting their use of Spanglish can help them feel proud of their heritage. Providing access to both English and Spanish books, media, and conversations supports their language growth. In the end, Spanglish is a lively, evolving way of speaking that shows how bilingual communities blend their languages and cultures. It is a natural part of how many Latino children express who they are. Recognizing it as a positive part of their identity helps children stay connected to their roots while thriving in an English-speaking world.